Hello, I'm Carol Kaemmerer, Executive Branding and LinkedIn Coach, and today's social media moment lesson is about creating credibility for yourself through the use of logos on your LinkedIn profile. So this year, the National Speakers Association Minnesota chapter did something wonderful for our members. We created a LinkedIn company page for the chapter. Ho-hum, you say. I agree, it doesn't sound like much, but actually it's a huge deal because when we create a company page, we upload the logo to LinkedIn. And with that logo, people who list the company can get the logo to appear on their profile. So if you currently have a listing for a volunteer position with the chapter, go to that entry and delete the company name. Instead, type in NSA-MN, and you'll see a drop-down menu. LinkedIn will be trying to match what you're typing. When you see National Speakers Association Minnesota chapter appear with its logo, click on that. And when you've clicked on the entry, you will find that your profile also has that logo appearing. If you have worked for the chapter as a volunteer and you have never used that on your LinkedIn profile, this is the perfect time for you to enter that. So enter your role, then type in where it says organization or business, type in NSA-MN, find National Speakers Association Minnesota chapter from the drop-down menu, click there, and you'll have the logo. If you have other positions that have no logo, see whether that same approach will result in finding the logo. Perhaps someone has created a company page for that company, or if it's your business, do create a company page for yourself and upload your logo, and then you'll have that on your LinkedIn profile too. Why is this important? It's because we're visual people, and that logo will create visibility and credibility for you that really is priceless. Make sure you take advantage of this. Our hashtags for this series are hashtag social media moment and hashtag NSAMN for National Speakers Association Minnesota chapter. Thanks for watching.